Hello, my friends, my fellow scientists. Welcome to the study of the concept of radioactivity, which is applicable to students who pursue physical science, particularly in high school and in universities. This has to do with the physics and the chemistry. Now, we are looking at radioactivity, and today's concern is type of radiation. Whenever a, a substance is unstable, it breaks down to gain stability through a process called radioactivity. And radioactivity is something which is spontaneous, random, and it can take place anytime. Now, today's focus is on types of radiation. We represent an atom which is unstable with letter X, and A represents the mass number, and the letter Z represents the atomic number. Mass number, it is the sum of the proton and the neutrons within the nuclei of an atom. And the atomic number is the number of protons within the nuclei. Now, when an unstable nuclide decays, it can release three possible particles. It can release all of them at the same time or each of the following particles. Our first consideration is what is called alpha particle. Studies have revealed that alpha particle, it is basically helium atom, and this is the chemical symbol for helium atom, capital He 4 2, where 4 is the mass number and the 2 is the atomic number. So this is called the parent nuclei. The parent nuclei will decay by release of alpha particle, and when it decays by release of alpha particle, the mass number will decrease by 4. At the same time, the atomic number decreases by 2, and this is the nuclear equation represented there showed here. So we have this nuclide and decaying by release of alpha particle, whereby the mass number is increasing with the 4 and the atomic number is increasing with the 2, and this is called the daughter nuclide. Of course, this nuclear equation, it is balanced because if you have A minus 4 plus 4, the result is A, and Z minus 2 plus 2, the result is Z. So the first particle which can be emitted whenever an unstable nuclide undergoes radioactivity, it is alpha particle, and the alpha particle, it is basically a helium nuclide. Number 2, there is what is called beta particle or beta particle. Beta particle, research have revealed that beta particle, it is basically an electron, and we represent it as 0, -1. This is an electron. So whenever an unstable nuclide, which is the parent nuclide, decays by the release of beta particle, the mass number remains the same and the atomic number increases by 1. So that is what happened whenever a particle decays by the release of beta particle. The mass number remains the same and the atomic number increases by 1. And this nuclear equation, it is balanced because you have A plus 0 is A, and Z plus 1 minus 1 is Z. Finally, if you have an unstable nuclide, sometimes it can gain stability by release of radiation accompanied by energy in the form of gamma rays. This is symbol for gamma rays. For example, this parent nuclide decays so that it can gain stability by releasing gamma radiation. And we see the mass number remaining the same and the atomic number remaining the same. In this case, in this instance, there is no formation of any new isotope. The atom remains the same. In our consideration here, mass number is given by atomic number plus number of neutrons, or in the other ones, protons plus neutrons, and give us mass number. So mass number, it is the sum of the proton and the neutron within the nuclide of atom. So thank you so much for taking your time to study with me on types of radiation which are emitted by an unstable nuclide. And we have found out there are two types of radiation. Number one, alpha particle, which is positively charged, and it is basically the helium atom. And we have the beta particle, which is negatively charged, and it is an electron. And finally, the gamma radiations, which carries no charge. Bye-bye. If you are new in this video, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss a single video for me, which I upload every day. Remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the new video for us. Bye-bye. Thanks for your time for studying with me on the types of radiation. For more such learning, kindly tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may keep on learning together. See you in the next presentation as we keep on learning.